Hello, I'm Shang Li. Let me show you how to draw the scatter chart. In this plugin called Figma NB Charts, let's take a look. There are already some basic parameters here. Then I will draw one first to show you the result. We need to create a new frame. The range of this box is the size of the chart. After it is generated, click the drawing button. The basic scatter chart is finished quickly. Next, take a look at the parameters here. The basic information in this tutorial, as well as the vertical and horizontal lines, have been explained in great detail in the line chart tutorial. If anyone needs it, you can check out the first half of the line chart tutorial. For scatter chart, I will focus on demonstrating the data settings for you. Here you can set the data range of the x-axis and y-axis. Currently, their data range is 100. This is easier to understand. Let's take a look here. Although there are currently 4 points, they all belong to data 1. Specific data values can be entered below. Let's focus on the format of the data values. The format of the data value is the value of the x-axis and the value of the y-axis, separated by commas. Then enter a space. Let me show you a demonstration. Start by entering a space at the end of the previous data value. Then enter x, comma, y. Don't forget this comma and a space. Then continue entering the next data value. Click the drawing button. Now, there are 7 points in data 1. What if we want to draw a scatter chart of multiple sets of data? Click the plus sign to the right of the data to add a set of data. Then data 2 appears below. Moreover, the number of data values in data 2 is consistent with data 1. I will change the color of data 2 in order to make the distinction between data 1 and data 2 more obvious. Of course, you can continue to add more sets of data. If you want to delete it, click this icon. Let me introduce the application of random data. Click on it and enter how many points you need to set. I entered 15, so the 2 sets of data are 30 points. Now, the corresponding number of data values appears in this box. Click the drawing button. These values are randomly generated and within the data range. Finally, I will introduce the settings of point. Currently, these points are the most basic styles. We can change its size and add a stroke. The current point has no stroke, so it is 0. I changed it to 2 and set a darker color. No text is displayed above the current point. I turn on this switch. We can choose the text content you want to display. Because I increased the size of the dots, I have to reduce the number of dots in order to see clearly. Click the drawing button. This is what it looks like after drawing. Here you can change the offset distance. I'll change it to 15. Obviously, the text and dots are further apart. Finally, after we finish drawing, we can click this icon to save some parameter settings. Okay, this part of the tutorial is over. Thanks.